Melissa and Mickey here. I am here in Africa, South Africa. I'm on my 17th Adventures by Disney and we are going to tour South Africa. I cannot wait. Well, we got here a day early, so when you book your Adventures by Disney with Melissa and Mickey, we will book a pre-night stay for you. We're here, we arrived early, we're having a leisurely day. We've gone to the spa before our adventure actually starts, and we are in the Table Bay Hotel. It is so beautiful. I can't wait for you to see all my different videos that I upload over these 2.5 weeks. Like and subscribe so you can follow all of my Disney adventures all around the world. And for now, let's go tour room 527. So we're in 527. The Table Bay Hotel is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, when you book an Adventures by Disney, all of your accommodations are luxury. We didn't have to worry about a driver. We didn't have to worry about our bags. Adventures by Disney takes care of all that for you. And I also am a pro. Book with Melissa and Mickey so you don't miss a thing, and I'll get you all set up with your Adventures by Disney. So we have a table here. We have a beautiful view. Look at this view. We are going to go on a catamaran sail tonight. Oh, Cape Town is just gorgeous. And then we've got a chair here with a lamp. Our bedding is beautiful. We have been in the room a little bit, so you may see my things all around. You could actually see if you see any hidden Mickeys. I have lots of Mickeys on my luggage. And here is our flat screen TV. And then, of course, when you come in, there's always a little Disney surprise. Here's our adventure, Let's Adventure Together letter from Jamil and Doug, our adventure guides. They left this cute little Tome's chocolate for us, 12-piece timeless collection. I wanted to show you first before I broke into it, but look at the wrap. Isn't it so cute? I love the packaging, but I will definitely have some in just a moment. Here's our side table there. It's just a lovely room. And then the closet here, you've got lots of hangers. I thought these were really interesting hangers. They say Table Bay. You've got your vault here, your safe for your valuables. You've got luggage racks. Yeah, so we're looking pretty good. And then now let's go down here and see the little kitchenette. We've got an espresso, and here are all of our pods. We have a teapot, we have water, we have our glasses and our ice here. Oh, look at that. We've got cream for our milk. We've got some cookies, we've got sugar, we've got tea here. We've also got a wine opener, and then here we do have a refrigerator, so that's nice, and it's got lots of bottled water as well. I saw some bottled water in the bathroom as well, so lots of bottles. Very good. Here's a beautiful bathroom. We just got home from dinner and a cruise, and our robes are all placed out for us. Here's the shower. And all the bath products are there. And again, for your next Adventures by Disney, or any adventure where your Disney travels take you, or Nat Geo, or Universal, contact Melissa and Mickey. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a Disney expert so you don't miss a thing. It would be my pleasure to assist your family.